In this video, we will show you the news update from Microsoft Photos. Now, Microsoft Photos can remove and replace the background of the image. As you can see here, if you open your Microsoft Photos, here, see our version is the latest 2023.11110, and you can see here for yourself. And after your update your Microsoft Photos, now when you open your Microsoft Photos and you can open any image, for example I will open my image, and you can click the edit, okay, to see the new features in here. After you click this, okay, background tabs, you can see in the previous version you can only using these blur features, but now there is remove and replace for the features. Okay, you can using the blur, for example, look like this, but the newest version is can remove the background. Now you can also replace the background like the color like this for fast, and this is very helpful if you have the photo format and then you need to replace the background for fast. Okay, thanks for Microsoft to doing this. Now for easy removing the background, we don't need the big application used to do it. And that's all the news update from Microsoft Photos. And if you ask how to update your Microsoft Photos, you can do in the Microsoft Store. Hope this video helpful for you.